Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Easter garden in a Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Easter update. Okay, let's get into it guys. You can only plant the Easter seed if you have the Easter garden. So if you want to get it, you just need to go to the Easter event area. It's right here, and you're going to select this Easter garden, and you're going to click on swap garden. Okay, and you will get this information. Welcome to Easter. The annual Grow a Garden Easter event is here. This year it's a little different. Okay, and you can plant, grow, and sell in the Easter garden. You just need to click on swap garden and switch to Easter garden. Okay, and my Easter garden has been loaded. Wait, let me find my garden. Where is it? Okay, this is my garden, guys. This one, right? Okay, this is my garden, and these are my Easter plants. I'm going to collect it. And if you want to switch to the normal garden, just go back to this switch button or the swap button right here and click on switch to normal garden. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the Easter garden in Grow a Garden game of Roblox new Easter update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!